Okay, in this video I'm going to pull together all the equations that we have covered so far this chapter. So one of the first ones we had was pH is equal to the negative log of hydronium. This is given to you on the formula sheet. Actually, the first one we were given was this one. The Kw is equal to the hydronium times the hydroxide. Kw as a value is not given to you anywhere. You have to know it. Oops. And Kw at 25 degrees, which all these problems will be, is going to be 1.0 times 10 to the minus 14th. So, oops, you must know this minus 14, not 19. Okay. Also given to you is the formula of pH plus POH is equal to 14. What is not given to you is the POH is the negative log of OH minus, because this is basically the same equation as this. P just means negative log feature, so whatever H is goes inside the bracket. So POH is negative log of OH minus. Okay, so we're going to start up here in the upper right hand corner with the hydronium concentration. And I have these color coded. Okay, so this is the value of Kw. So this is Kw. So what I've done is I have Kw is the divided by the hydronium concentration is OH. So in all of these slides, this is the equal sign. Okay, so basically this one is equal to the OH minus. So wherever the line ends with the arrow is what is the equal sign here. Okay, but I need to delete this because something else is going to go right there. And so if I have OH minus and I want to go to hydronium, it's just the opposite. It's still Kw, but it's Kw divided by now the OH to get the hydronium. So again, here's my end of my arrow, and it means the equal sign is the hydronium ion concentration. If I have hydroxide and I want POH, it's the negative log of hydroxide. So this one's not given to you. And then I showed you on the last video how to derive it was hydronium from the pH, but this is going to be the opposite. So what I need to do is divide both sides by the -1 or multiply both sides by -1 to get negative POH. And the way that you get rid of the log function is taking the 10. So this is not the times 10 and not this times 10, but this 10 is the anti-log on your calculator. Okay, so you should have a log button, and then usually the second key above that log button is the 10 to the x, and that's the one that you use here. If I have POH and I want pH, then it's 14 minus POH using this formula here. I'm solving for this, so it's 14 minus the POH. 14 is a number that's not given to you. And to go in the opposite direction, from pH to POH, it's 14 minus the pH. The last ones go from pH to hydronium. And again, it's just like the POH, it's 10 to the negative pH. And to go from hydronium to pH is the negative log of hydronium. This square, this figure, is not given to you, but this formula, and that formula are in fact given to you on the formula sheet. This one is not given to you on the formula sheet. And this value is not given to you on the formula sheet, neither is the 14, although 14 just comes from taking the negative log of the 1 times 10 to the minus 14. That's where that 14 comes from. On the next video, we will work some problems dealing with going from different concentrations.